Welcome back to my channel Impact. In this video, I will discuss about how to pursue your passion. As Mark Twain said, once you find what you truly love doing, you will never have to work another day in your life. Few months back, I have done a survey in my network. There was a lot of questions, but one question was like that: if you want to do something else in your life but currently not pursuing it, what is the reason behind it? So if you notice the pie chart, so almost 87% of people who actually are sure about that what is their passion, but they are not following it. So isn't it surprising? Yes. So in this video, I want to help those people. If you are also like those people who have a passion in their life, but they think that they can't follow it, this video will surely help you. Stay tuned till end. If you believe that these videos are creating an impact in your life, please do subscribe, share with your friends, like the video and press the bell icon. Have you ever thought that why are you procrastinating all those things which you really want to achieve in your life? If you see again the pie chart, what I was referring in the first, that 29% of the people who actually know that what is the thing they are passionate about, they know how to achieve it, but still they are not following it. So in this video, I will try to help those people which already knows that what is the idea they are passionate about. They already know that how to achieve that, but still they are not following that. If you are still confused between the goal and the dream, and you think that what is the difference between two, I will request you to please watch my last video. I will mention the link in the description box. In that video, I have discussed all about the goal, why you should have a goal in your life, what can you do to achieve the goal, and what is the difference between dream and goal. So again, I'll just tell that dream is the thing which you have it's like a vision in your life, that once you want to achieve that thing in your life, and the goal is like a mission that has a set timeline. You have set that timeline for you and you want to achieve that dream by this time. I would refer one quote I have gone through once, that as you grow older, you will find the only things you regret are the things you didn't do. So from the quote and itself, what we experience in the year 2020, we all know that life is too short to not to do what we actually love to do. I will show you step by step what to follow, and by following which you can pursue your passion. We often procrastinate by showing many reasons, that these are the reasons and that is why we are not following our passion. All those reasons are silly. Yes, you may not be agree with me right now, but this is what I will request you in the first step. So as I have already mentioned in my last few videos, that anything if you want to achieve in your life which you are not doing right now, for achieving that you have to write it down. You have to maintain a journal. So your first thing is you write it down, your goal. You mention the timeline, that by when you will start that process of achieving that. The next thing, you just mention all the reasons which you find that these are the reasons for which you are not able to start that. Anything that comes into your mind which you feel that these are not silly, but later on I will show you why they are silly. And the next column comes very important. In this column, you have to ask yourself that what can you do to overcome those reasons. I know you may think that if I already know the answer, then I would have already started it. I know that. But the trick is, when you start asking those questions in your mind, you give a task to your brain, your subconscious mind, and when you are doing some work, your subconscious mind will still searching for those answers, and in few days you will definitely get those answers. Those answers will be only for you. So your brain, your mind, your subconscious mind has found the answer for you. Many times it happens that we didn't see some object in maybe in our home because we have not focused on it. So this is the same way. We have not focused, we have not prioritized that thing into our life, and that's why we have given many reasons that these are the reasons why we can't do that thing. So please follow the step 1. The next step is, if you are that kind of person, like in my survey 28% of the people, they think that they know what they are passionate about, and they have decided that they will follow their passion in some future date when things will be something different, something better, something perfect situation. But I must say, there is no perfect situation. The perfect situation is now. This is the time you have to start. This is the perfect time in your life. So start from now and see the changes. I'll give you some example. Like if you're the person who wants to start a business but always show some reasons that I have a well-paid job, how can I start doing businesses, because there is so many risks, I cannot, I have to see, like I have to take care of my family, there is no other earning member. So these are very reasonable reasons for not starting a business. But you can do, like you can parallelly start your business like while doing the job itself, or you can hire some person with a lesser salary whom you find that who can take care of your business in the initial days. So like this, I'm not telling you that these are the actual options, but I'm showing that this is the way you can still think of starting the thing which you actually want in your life. Maybe suppose you are a person who wants to lose weight, who wants to get fit, but always shows the reason that I have a job like 10 to 12 hours. When do I get time for fitness, for exercise? So here are my tips. Already I have given some tips that that you can see my previous videos. But don't show the reasons only that I don't have time. You have time. You can give any like 5 to 10 minutes in exercise. It's always better to do something than nothing. You can start doing 10 minutes of maybe a power yoga, a Surya Namaskar, a cycling, anything. So in that 10 minutes itself, at least you have started something. And in times like when you practice again and again, your habit will build up, and one day you will get better, like you can allocate a better time for you. So just you have to start. You stop showing all those silly reasons to you, and you have to find out the alternative, because it's your life, it's your dream. The third suggestion would be prioritize your work. We all know that we have a limited time, and setting aside the time of sleeping, eating, and all the necessary items, we actually have a limited time for our work. And if you keep aside the like work time also, so most of us, we have like maximum 2 to 3 hours for ourselves. And what do we do in that 2 to 3 hours? Some of us play game, some of us watch Netflix or some other OTT service, some of us do only social media, WhatsApp, chat. So in this way we waste that 2 to 3 prime hours. So my suggestion would be, you have to prioritize your life. We all know the Pareto example. As per the Pareto 80-20 rule, that 20% of your customer actually are the reason of 80% of your sale. If you can relate that the same thing in your life, then we can say that 80% of the output can be possible from those work where you are given only 20% of effort. So you have to only identify which are those 20% work which you actually want to do, and then see that 80% of the achievement can be done. The next point comes is the focus. We all know that as I have said earlier also, because of the social media, and all those messages, mails, we often can't focus in our work. Whenever we do something, something happened and our minds get diverted, and then we started doing that work. So focused way of working is very important, and by doing so you can finish your work earlier, and then you can allocate sometimes for the work you actually want to do, other than the office work or the important work in your life. So how to focus? Here I have come across a very good way. That is the technique called Pomodoro. Pomodoro is a technique that is introduced in the late 80s. It is basically a technique that 25 minutes span of time you have to work in a focused way, and then 5 minutes of break you can take, and again 25 minutes of work you can do. Like that, 3 slots of work and 2 slots of 5 minutes of break. And after these 3 slots of 25 minutes of work, you can take a longer break. There are many apps in Android or iOS which you can download, and you can start following this Pomodoro technique. The next important point is educating yourself. Yes, in every field we want to pursue or whatever is our passion. There actually we need continuous training. We need to improve continuously ourselves. So training is very important. In whatever field you want to proceed or your passion is, if you are very good at it, it's good, but still there will be a scope of betterment. So every time you have to invest in yourself, and self investment is the best way for improvement in your life. The next tips will be, follow the person who already achieved your dream. Yes, there will be some person, so you have to identify those person. You have to see what they have done, what they might read, how was their lifestyle. So everything, whatever you can get the information, get it. And if they were successful by following those things, you will also be successful. The next tips will be, don't be perfectionist. So perfectionist is good, but if you want to be perfectionist, you will be late. As we know that in any case, your piece will be maybe if you do better work, your work will be better than someone's, but obviously there will be some work which is better than you. So doing better, do better is very good, but don't wait for it. I'll give you some example of mine. I wanted to start this YouTube channel long back, but I used to procrastinate, and I used to always tell myself that how can I start YouTube? I don't know how to record, I don't know how to speak better, I don't know all those video editing tips, and I shown all these reasons I think past 1 to 2 years. But one day I decided that this is the perfect time and I have to start. So whatever I will learn in the process. And I always want to know from my friends that tell me what are the improvement scope, and I'm sure I will improve in future videos. The last but not the least tips is determination and perseverance. This is the key for anything you want to achieve in your life. You have to take little steps towards your goal. And especially when you feel low, that time you have to push yourself very hard to keep doing the thing you want to do. So as Robin Sharma said, a problem is only problem when viewed as a problem. All change is hard at first, messy in the middle, and gorgeous at the end. I hope all these tips will be helpful for you, and by following all the tips, you will follow your passion. Please let me know if I can help you further. You can send me a mail. I'll mention my email ID below. I would be happy to help you personally. Thank you for watching.